What up, Dirt Champs again? Got some more packages for the old KDX200 right here. So I'm gonna open them up for you. Let's see what we got here. With this fragile. I'm not really sure what's supposed to be fragile. I don't remember ordering anything fragile. There's a business card in here. Not too worried about that. Oh, this thing shouldn't be that fragile. It's a freaking handle and lever bar, clutch bar, or lever, what? Huh? Why does it smell like poison? It smells like one of those people that puts on way too much cologne. Freaking oily. They must have oiled her up for me. Probably oiled it to make it not rust, but there's already rust on it, bro. You suck. This Mo sucker, supposed to be right here. That's something we can do pretty easy. Hopefully we got a clutch cable in here too. So like before, at first I didn't realize I ordered just the lever. Just the lever ain't gonna do nothing without this piece. So I had to order that thing. Now we got a slightly used lever and chingus. But we got a new lever, so we're all good. I'm on a new lever. I'm on a new level.
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Lever level? I'm on a new level. Let's see what else we got. Aha, there's the cable I was just talking about. Come on now. You stay in there. Here's one of the levers actually, because I think I told you guys the other day in a different episode, I ordered, before I knew which year bike this was, I ordered 2 different freaking clutch cables. So one of these, there might be a second one in here. I can return one and I'll use the other one. Ooh, this is a heavy one for how small it is. Oh, my bolt kit. Holy guacamole. That's a lot of bolts.
I'll take a pound of nuts. That's a lot of nuts!
Just kind of random bolts I got just in case I needed them. Is there stickers? I think this is a sticker. Fast metric people, and that's where you get your bolts at. Wow. Also available for my motor model. Wow. I might hold on to this. Hey, don't look at my address, you weirdo. Oh, I think this is our other clutch cable. It feels like it. Hey, I know stuff. What can I say? So are these different or same? They're definitely different. This one has this whole chingus right here. Whereas, come on, this one has this chingus right here. So yeah, that's pretty different. Although, I don't know. These little end pieces might be similar. This one looks a little bigger. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And one last box. Key and genuine parts? Probably not. Made in Japan? Hopefully. Racing carburetor, proven reliability, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, carburetor set up by Sudco. Not legal for use in California. Good thing I'm in Mexico. Ooh, I see a sticker. I hope there's jets in this because my other carb doesn't even have jets. That's a pretty good looking carb if you ask me. It looks pretty similar to the original-ish. Let's check that one out. Do some comparisons. This is our old carb, obviously. We got that on the right side, so that's good. That's where our difference is. The key in there is a key in here instead of up there. We would just have to open her up, double check that she's jetted, and go from there. I'm gonna be a cheap and easy guy. Probably just do that clutch lever first and end up probably doing the carburetor last. Because of stuff. That's the way stuff goes, man. You don't know me. You don't know me. That's my purse. I don't know you.
That's my purse. I don't know you.
Apparently it's just a couple of Scrooby Doobies. So I'm gonna get my screwdriver out and we will screw her on there. Hello, welcome to over here. Now we're gonna put this right here. Man, I hope I get my seat cover in soon so I can recover this thing. That'll get it looking a heck of a lot better. They're really long screws, man. I was getting ready to say screw this, but we made it. Woo! Now we can do clutch things. What up, Dirt Champ? Back again for another day on this KDX200. Anyway, welcome back to the Dirt Champs. freaking another day on this guy. Dude. Alright. KDX200. Don't listen to the kids. Don't look at those kids, you fucking pervert. Anyway. Doing a compression test. Alright, got our handy dandy compressor gauge, compression tester. Oh, okay. Let's go down here. Come on. I got such a long thread on these guys. Take that guy out. We screw in this handy dandy guy. Or we try to. Oh man, this ain't a good aim. Put this where you guys can see it, maybe. You can see the tester right here. I'll kick her over a wee bit. Anything? Ooh, less than 30 pounds? I hope not. Ow. 30 pounds of air pressure. Fucking, oh, heck yeah. Me giving her an actual kick. Oh, there we go. Over 100. Is this going to keep going up, or is it stays somewhere at one point, right? Whew. Almost 120. I think that's pretty good, right? I think this is an aftermarket kicker because it hits the exhaust. It hits just about everything on the way down. But and my kickstand barely works. Honestly, seeing this 120, I think that's pretty good. Right? Anyway, yeah. This compression's good. Ish, I think. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I guess I could look it up. Haha, the ideal compression range is between 120 psi and 150 psi. So we're right about at 120. Plus, I wouldn't be surprised if those rings had like de-seated or whatever. I don't know. Bet you with some oil, some stuff, she'll get higher compression. Alright, so I think I showed this before, how this thing is just doing that. I messed with this, I realized you can, whoa, look at that. Someone had their fun with that bolt. So I don't know if it's supposed to be there. Oh. It smells like oil, I think. I mean, there's a little something there, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. Oh, that's the only place it wants to go. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to open this guy up. Alright, now I know I'm flipping all over the place. I'm gonna check these out because I haven't yet. You know, it actually looks pretty good in there, I think.